guys, it's Patty here again. In this video, I'm just quickly going to show you how I built my reading area just using a bunch of trellises, okay? And then some other trellises that I got on Amazon, very inexpensive prices. Now, you know that to get custom like trellises for a garden or a home, it costs you thousands and thousands of dollars. In this basic hack, I'm going to show you how I accomplished that for almost less than 99.99% of the budget. So let's get started, and I'll show you why I have this here. See, this is like, ideally this is supposed to be like a standing trellis, but I'll show you what I did with that to get what I wanted. So the trellis that I was holding in my initial intro is the one I have right here. So the trellis is supposed to be vertical, right? It's supposed to be straight. But what I did was that I flipped them out. I flipped them over to get this sort of form, right? I wanted something open here and open here. And I just bought some posts from Amazon to get what I want. And then I bought a separate gate, also from Amazon, which is right here, because if you flip the when you flip it open, you get this. So I wanted a gate that had this sort of you know, squares in them, right? Now we're gonna go in here, and I am going to show you how I got this. So the trellis we're talking about is right here. This entire thing I think cost like $200 and something. And these are just like columns that I got from Craigslist, and I painted them white. I think they came in a different color, so if you get closer you can see that the color can change. And these wings here I got also on Amazon. You can buy the wings separately on Amazon. So these trellises actually come with a stake that you can actually just drive into the ground. So very easy to build. I think the hardest part of building this trellis was the column, because I couldn't make it stable, but after using cement and a lot of things, it worked, okay? So, and then I have these here, the rafters here. I bought 10 of them from a company that I'm gonna link below. They are in Georgia, very, very inexpensive, where I get all my wood for all my projects for this house, okay? So I have these rafters, and I think it cost me less than 150 bucks to get 10 of them. And then I just painted them. Now the wood on top, the thing that the rafters are on top of is just, I think it's 2x2x8 wood, pressure treated wood, and I just painted it. I'm waiting to paint the inside as well. And this actually took me like, I think half a day or maybe 12 hours to do. And it's very, very easy. If you live in Connecticut or in New England or Northeast, you know that getting anything customized is like, it will cost you an arm and a leg. It will cost you about $3,000 to $4,000, and this thing I think cost me less than $600. If you are looking for a custom trellis, I suggest you go this route. Buy the material separately at like very, very cheap prices. If you have to go out of your state to get what you want, then I suggest you do that, and just take your time building it, and I can tell you, you'd get the most amazing results. I wouldn't change this for the world. I come out here and I read, I sit here and I drink wine, and I just love it. I just love it. So if you're looking for a hack for your garden, home, or anything like that, please send me a message, or just go ahead and copy what I did. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Hey guys, so do you see another use of the trellis right up here? I will tell you exactly why I used it on the side of my house. Now when you come to the house, you look at the siding. So the siding here looks very horizontal, right? But on the siding here looks diagonal. Like, look at that. And it was something that I hated every single time. All the years that I've had it, it was just driving me nuts. It was driving me nuts, and I needed to just like fix it. And you know, to get a new siding to match what I have now, it's a lot of money. And this was just a very, very cost-effective way of me using a trellis to sort of disguise and distract from the different siding that's on the house. So what I did was that I had an old trellis, and then I cut it up, right? And I had the sides, you know, like nailed to the siding that I don't like, and then I just decided to just sort of make it a bit nicer. So from the same company where I get all my wood, I bought some rafters, you know, and then I bought bigger rafters right there for very, very inexpensive prices. I'm telling you, Pro Wood Market, I'm not being sponsored by them or anything like that, but they are so amazing. You can actually read their Google reviews. They are amazing. They're in Georgia. And then I just used the same wood that I use in my reading area, and I had a carpenter sort of build this correctly for me because I knew this was going to be the front of the house. Okay, so this is another way to use a trellis. So if you have any old trellises, I'm telling you, don't throw them away. There are so many creative ways that you can use them to improve the look of your house and also get that kind of like gorgeous garden design that you're looking for. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.